Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at question words. Can you fill in the missing word in this question? Washes the dishes in your house. Washes the dishes in your house. What's the missing word? Answer: who. Who washes the dishes in your house? Next one, have a quick look. You born in London? You born in London? What's the missing question word? Answer: were. Were you born in London? Were you born in London? One more? Okay, have a look at this. Do English people eat so little fish? Do English people eat so little fish? What's the missing question word? The answer is why. Why do English people eat so little fish? Question words in English? Easy peasy. See you next time. Bye for now.